Our 240 voltage, one-phase electric convection oven. First off, the overall dimensions. Length of 31.5 inches. 24 inches in depth. By 22.5 in height. Features here include the oven temperature, bake, and cook and hold. Each one with the temperature adjustment and the separate controls controlling each feature. In the interior are 4 adjustable shelves and the measurements from the back to the front of the shelf, we're looking at 16.75 inches, a length of 22 inches, and the overall height of 17.25 inches. You have your 208 and 240 voltage plug. Located in the back is your SA certification, along with the product information and the technical specs for this product. For more information on this product, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com. Thank you.